Hello viewers and welcome to my channel All Tech Buy. Today we introduce you to a game changer 5 tech gadgets, so let's start the video. Number 5. Have you ever found yourself in a situation like this? Fumbling through your bag, desperately searching for your power bank amidst the chaos of daily life? Or maybe you've experienced the frustration of untangling a mess of cables just to charge your device on the go. Well, what if I told you there's a solution? Introducing MChaos, the game changer in portable charging. A 10,000 milliamp hours powerhouse with a retractable cord and a detachable carabiner. It's not just a power bank, it's a lifestyle upgrade. In 2023, MChaos revolutionized the portable charging game with its 5,000 milliamp hours wearable power bank. And now, in 2024, it's back and better than ever. With a bidirectional USB-C port, a lightning cable option, and a whopping 10,000 milliamp hours capacity, MChaos ensures you never run out of juice when you need it most. And let's talk about that retractable cord, 28 inches of pure convenience. Just pull and plug, no more tangled messes or searching through your bag in a panic. Plus, its hangable design means you can keep it within reach at all times, whether you're commuting to work or exploring the great outdoors. With fast charging capabilities and multi-device compatibility, MChaos has got you covered, no matter what gadgets you're carrying. And rest assured, safety comes first. MChaos is built with fireproof materials, protecting you and your devices from potential hazards. So, if you're tired of the hassle and ready for a seamless charging experience, it's time to join the MChaos revolution. Number 4. Are you tired of dealing with endless cords and complicated setups just to share your screen? Well, get ready to say goodbye to those headaches, because today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a game changer in the world of wireless connectivity, the 4URPC. You're in the middle of a crucial business meeting, about to share your groundbreaking presentation, when suddenly, chaos strikes. Wires tangled, connections lost, it's a nightmare. But fear not, because the 4URPC is here to save the day. So, what makes the 4URPC so special? Let me break it down for you. Imagine a device that effortlessly transforms any space into a hub of seamless connectivity. With its truly plug-and-play functionality and built-in 5G Wi-Fi technology, sharing your screen has never been easier. But wait, there's more. Not only does the 4URPC deliver crystal clear 1080p resolution, but it also offers dual-band Wi-Fi for stronger, more stable signals. Plus, with its lightweight and portable design, you can take your screen mirroring game to new heights, whether you're in the boardroom or the comfort of your own home. But perhaps the best part? The 4URPC is not just a gadget, it's a game changer. With its seamless pairing and one-click switch design, you can say goodbye to the days of tangled cords and complex setups. Whether you're hosting a meeting, teaching a class, or simply unwinding with friends, the 4URPC has got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Join us on this exciting journey and experience the future of wireless connectivity with the 4URPC. Number 3. In a world where every moment counts, where every word spoken holds power, there's one gadget that's about to revolutionize the way you capture sound. Imagine this: you're a content creator, striving for perfection in every video you make. But there's always been something missing, hasn't there? The sound. It's never quite as crisp, as clear, as captivating as you want it to be. But fear not, because today, we're introducing the Luxio M8 Smart Wireless Microphone, a game changer in the world of audio recording. This isn't just any microphone. It's a compact powerhouse packed with features designed to elevate your audio experience to new heights. Whether you're a vlogger sharing your daily adventures, an interviewer capturing powerful stories, or a musician delivering an unforgettable performance, the Luxio M8 is your ultimate companion. With its breathing LED lights, the M8 doesn't just enhance your audio, it elevates your ambience. And with intelligent noise reduction and enriching reverb, every word and note resonates with clarity and depth. But what truly sets the M8 apart is its incredible range of up to 100 meters, allowing you to stay connected no matter where you are. And with its plug-and-play functionality, you can start recording in seconds without any hassle or extra apps. And let's not forget about its sleek design and long-lasting battery life. With the M8, you can say goodbye to battery anxiety and hello to uninterrupted performance. So whether you're a creator, a storyteller, or a performer, the Luxio M8 is here to take your audio to the next level. Say goodbye to compromise and hello to perfection. Number 2. In a world where every moment is captured and cherished, there's nothing quite like the peace of mind that comes from knowing your memories are safe and secure. Introducing PhotoCube PD Plus, the ultimate solution for smart, on-the-go backup that not only keeps your memories safe, but does so with unmatched convenience and speed. You're out and about, capturing life's moments on your smartphone. But what happens if your device gets lost, damaged, or stolen? With PhotoCube PD Plus, those worries become a thing of the past. Its seamless on-the-go backup mode means you can keep snapping away while it silently works its magic in the background. And when you need a power boost, simply switch to charging backup mode. It'll juice up your device while ensuring your memories stay safe and sound. Whether you're rocking the latest Type-C device or sticking with your trusty old iPhone, PhotoCube PD Plus has you covered. Its versatility knows no bounds. And with lightning-fast backup speeds and support for up to 2 terabytes of storage, you'll never have to worry about running out of space or waiting ages for your files to transfer. Plus, its slim design and supreme stability mean you can use your phone as usual whether you're gaming, streaming, or simply browsing the web. But perhaps the most impressive feature of all is its smart backup capabilities. Say goodbye to duplicate files and hello to organized, efficient storage that adapts to your needs. Number 1. You're in the middle of a busy office, deadlines looming, and you need to tune into an important video call. But alas, your earphones are nowhere to be found. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? Well, fret no more. Introducing the Tmice new generation mouse. It's not just any ordinary mouse, it's a game changer in the world of office gadgets. Imagine having your trusty mouse double as your go-to earphone storage. No more frantic searches or awkward borrowing from colleagues. With Tmice, convenience is just a click away. Whether you're at the office, on the go, or enjoying your favorite coffee spot, Tmice ensures you're always connected. Say goodbye to tangled wires and hello to seamless productivity. But wait, there's more. Not only does Tmice offer unparalleled convenience, but it also delivers on performance. With its innovative Bluetooth technology and dual transmission capabilities, you can trust Tmice to keep you connected, no matter where you are. And let's talk about comfort. The Tmice mouse isn't just a pretty face. Its ergonomic design ensures maximum comfort during those long work sessions, while the built-in Bluetooth earphones provide crystal clear sound without compromising on style. Whether you're answering calls, listening to music, or simply scrolling through your favorite playlist, Tmice puts control right at your fingertips. And did I mention wireless charging? That's right, ensuring your earphones are always juiced up and ready to go. So, why settle for ordinary when you can upgrade to extraordinary? Join the Tmice revolution today and experience the future of office gadgets. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Stay tuned.